Hey everybody, so I am back with another video, y'all. I am not cooking Thanksgiving this year. It's not gonna happen. I'm going over my mama's house, but what I'm gonna do is, I did say that I was gonna make a dessert to bring to my parents' house. So yeah, I am here, me and my son Jordan. Come on. Here's my son. Come over here. We're gonna make cheesecake, and we're gonna do it all with a Ninja blender. Yes, so we're gonna make a cheesecake from scratch, and we're gonna show you guys how it's done. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so my children are congregating in the kitchen with me, but anyway, this is what you're gonna need for the cheesecake. You're gonna need sour cream, granulated sugar. What? The sugar went down my chest.
Oh no! What happened?
Wait, let me do the ingredients.
Okay, cut. Let's try this again.
Just hit it.
Granulated sugar, sour cream, a springform pan,
Oh,
3 of those, the Philadelphia cream cheese original,
it's not focusing.
because you got it too close. There you go.
Can I?
And eggs. And graham crackers. And a Ninja blender. Alright, y'all. So, first things first, I am going to microwave some butter.
Mommy, which one did you use already? The blue one or the orange one?
That's not fun. And do eggs.
You're gonna preheat your oven to 350. So this is the crust right here. And now we're going to make the filling, the cream cheese part. Guys, make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature. And you're gonna need 3 of these Philadelphia cream cheese packs. So,
Okay.
So I have it in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes. You saw how I did it. It was real lazy. Dump and mix in the Ninja mixer. And this was not well thought out. It could have been a little bit more organized. I had my son jumping in and yeah. So let's see what this look like when it come out the oven in about an hour. All right, so hopefully it's good to go because I only do things the lazy way. All right, y'all, so y'all know my channel name is Rose Jen's Way. So yeah, have y'all had these? I'm not sponsored, babe. Rose with bubbles, not sponsored. I picked this up in Walmart, so I think I'm gonna try it. Have y'all had this brand? I hope it's good. This is what it is. Babe Rose. I don't know. How do you think it's gonna be? It's pretty good. This is on point. So I will be back once the hour is up to take this cheesecake out. Cheers. Okay guys, so my cheesecake is done. Move, Joey, my dog. Okay. It's hot, Joey, you gotta move. Okay. So this is the cheesecake, guys. So I'm gonna let it chill for a few minutes before I put it in the refrigerator to cool. But yep, that's my cheesecake.